is there. And both are going to be in Springfield. And brought to you by Whole Foods Market. Find undefeated flavors for less. Let's face it, Billy's, Greens, and Dr. Jones.